When a Mercedes is new, ownership feels simple. The car is under warranty, most repairs are covered, and maintenance is predictable. But once that warranty expires, the experience can change quickly. Suddenly, every mechanical issue comes out of your own pocket, and on some models that can mean extremely expensive surprises. This is the moment when many owners decide to sell their cars, and that's exactly why the used market is full of Mercedes that are just leaving the warranty period. The problem is that not all of them age the same way. Some models start developing costly issues soon after the warranty ends, while others continue to run reliably for years with relatively manageable maintenance. In this video, we're going to look at 6 Mercedes models that are considered safe to buy after the warranty expires. These aren't just the obvious choices that appear in every list. Instead, we'll focus on cars with proven engines, mature platforms, and drivetrains that mechanics already understand well. The kind of Mercedes that can still make financial sense even after factory coverage is gone. If you're thinking about buying a used Mercedes that's just out of warranty, these are the models worth paying attention to. Let's start with the 2016 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz E300 from the W2113 generation. This model is powered by the 2.0-liter M274 turbocharged inline-4 paired with the 9G-tronic automatic transmission, producing around 241 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. While it may not sound as exciting as some of Mercedes' larger engines, this combination has proven to be relatively dependable once the car moves beyond its initial warranty period. The M274 engine was already used in several Mercedes platforms before the W230 arrived, which means many of its early issues had already been identified and improved. It uses moderate turbo pressure, a durable aluminum block, and a well-developed fuel injection system. When oil changes are kept conservative around every 5,000 to 7,000 miles rather than extended intervals, the engine has demonstrated strong long-term reliability. Another reason the E300 tends to remain safe after the warranty expires is the maturity of the W230 platform. By the time these model years were released, Mercedes had refined many of the electronic and drivetrain systems that initially appear in a new generation. The 9G-tronic transmission paired with this engine has also shown solid durability when serviced properly. Most of the issues owners encounter tend to involve external components rather than internal engine failures. Water pumps, thermostats, sensors, and ignition components are the most common maintenance items as mileage increases. These repairs are typical for modern vehicles and generally far less costly than major drivetrain failures. Before purchasing, check for consistent service history, scan the vehicle for stored engine or transmission fault codes, verify smooth turbo response during acceleration, and confirm that the transmission shifts cleanly through all gears. With proper maintenance, the W213 V6 represents a modern Mercedes sedan that can still be a relatively safe choice even after the factory warranty has expired. Next is the 2012 to 2015 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350, chassis R172. This roadster is powered by the 3.5-liter M276 V6 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission, producing about 302 horsepower and reaching 0-60 mph in roughly 5.5 seconds. While it's known for its sporty driving experience, the real reason it belongs on this list is the simplicity of the overall platform compared with many larger Mercedes models. The M276 engine was a major step forward from the earlier M272 generation. Mercedes revised the timing system, improved oil circulation, and strengthened several internal components. In naturally aspirated form like in the SLK 350, the engine avoids the additional heat and pressure that come with turbocharging. When oil changes are done regularly, typically every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, these engines have demonstrated strong durability well beyond the warranty period. Another factor that makes the SLK 350 financially safer after warranty expiration is the relatively simple chassis. Unlike larger luxury sedans and SUVs, it does not rely on complex air suspension systems, and it carries fewer electronic luxury modules. That reduces the number of potential high-cost failures as the vehicle ages. Common issues tend to involve normal wear items rather than structural engine problems. Owners may encounter ignition coil replacements, minor oil leaks around gaskets, or cooling system components such as thermostats and water pumps over time. The retractable hardtop mechanism should also be inspected, as it contains moving parts that can wear with age. Before buying, confirm that the engine starts quietly without extended timing noise, check for oil seepage around the valve covers, verify smooth transmission shifts, and test the hardtop to ensure it operates smoothly. With proper maintenance, the SLK 350 offers one of the more predictable ownership experiences for buyers looking at a Mercedes that has already moved beyond its warranty period. Next is the 2015 to 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA250 chassis X156. This compact SUV uses the 2.0-liter M270 turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with the 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, producing about 208 horsepower and 258 litres-foot of torque. It may sit at the smaller end of the Mercedes lineup, but from a financial perspective it's one of the more manageable models once the warranty period has passed. The M270 engine was developed alongside the M274 family and shares much of its engineering philosophy, moderate turbo pressure, efficient fuel injection, and relatively strong internal components. Because this engine was used across several Mercedes compact platforms, mechanics are already very familiar with it, and parts availability is strong. That helps keep ownership costs more predictable after the warranty expires. Another reason the GLA250 works well in the used market is platform simplicity. Compared to larger Mercedes SUVs, it avoids many of the expensive systems that often drive repair bills higher. There's no air suspension, the drivetrain layout is relatively straightforward, and the overall weight of the vehicle places less stress on many mechanical components. Most issues owners encounter tend to involve normal wear items rather than major mechanical failures. These can include ignition coils, sensors, cooling system components such as thermostats, and occasional engine mount wear as mileage increases. The dual-clutch transmission may feel slightly abrupt at low speeds, but serious reliability issues are uncommon when fluid services are not neglected. Before purchasing, check that the engine responds smoothly under acceleration, confirm there are no stored engine or transmission fault codes, and verify consistent service records. Also make sure the transmission engages smoothly when moving from a stop. When properly maintained, the GLA250 can remain a financially reasonable Mercedes to own even after factory warranty coverage has ended. Next is the 2014 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz S400 Hybrid from the W222 generation. This full-size luxury sedan pairs the 3.5-liter M276 V6 with an electric hybrid system, producing a combined output of around 329 horsepower. At first glance, many buyers assume that a hybrid luxury sedan would become expensive to own once the warranty expires, but in practice, the S400 Hybrid has proven to be more durable than many people expect. The M276 V6 engine itself is already a well-established powertrain in the Mercedes lineup. It features improved timing components, strong internal construction, and relatively predictable maintenance when oil changes are kept consistent. In the hybrid configuration, the electric motor assists the engine during acceleration, which can actually reduce stress on certain engine components during normal driving. Another reason the S400 Hybrid can remain relatively safe after warranty expiration is the design of the hybrid system. Unlike some early hybrid platforms that relied on complex mechanical integration, this system is relatively straightforward. The electric motor is integrated into the transmission, and the lithium-ion battery system has shown solid durability when properly maintained. Of course, buyers still need to approach a luxury sedan like this carefully. The W222 platform includes advanced technology and air suspension systems that can become expensive as the vehicle ages. However, the drivetrain itself, the combination of the M276 engine and hybrid assist, has generally proven dependable when service intervals are respected. Before purchasing, confirm that the hybrid system shows no warning lights, scan the vehicle for stored fault codes, verify smooth transitions between electric and gasoline power, and inspect the air suspension to ensure the vehicle maintains proper ride height. With a well-maintained example, the S400 Hybrid can still offer flagship Mercedes comfort while remaining a relatively safe purchase even after the warranty period has ended. Next is the 2014 to 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS400 chassis C218. This model uses the 3.0-liter M276 twin-turbo V6 paired with the 7G Tronic Plus transmission, producing about 329 horsepower and 354 linear-foot of torque. While the CLS is known for its sleek four-door coupe design, it also benefits from a drivetrain that had already proven itself across multiple Mercedes platforms before appearing in this car. The twin-turbo version of the M276 engine is generally considered one of Mercedes' more balanced modern V6 powertrains. the internal architecture is strong, and the turbochargers operate at relatively moderate boost levels compared to some high-performance engines. When oil changes are kept conservative, around every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, the engine has shown solid durability even as vehicles move well beyond the warranty period. Another reason the CLS400 works well as a post-warranty purchase is the maturity of the platform. By the time these model years were produced, the C218 generation had already gone through several refinements, meaning many early electronic and drivetrain issues had already been addressed. The 7G-tronic Plus transmission paired with the engine is also widely used and well understood by independent Mercedes specialists. Most maintenance items owners encounter tend to involve peripheral components rather than internal engine failures. Turbo coolant lines, ignition coils, cooling system parts, and various sensors are typical repairs as mileage increases. While these items can add up over time, they are generally far less severe than major engine or transmission problems. Before buying, check for smooth turbo response during acceleration, inspect the engine bay for oil residue around turbo lines, verify that the transmission shifts cleanly through all gears, and scan the car for stored fault codes. With consistent maintenance and proper inspection, the CLS400 can remain a relatively safe Mercedes to own even after the original warranty coverage has expired. Finally, we have the 2013 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz E400 Coupe, chassis C207. This model uses the 3.0-liter M276 twin-turbo V6 paired with the 7G-tronic Plus automatic transmission, producing about 329 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. While it offers strong performance, the real advantage for buyers is that it combines this engine with one of the most mature platforms Mercedes built in the last decade. The C207 Coupe is based on the E-Class architecture that had already been refined through several production years before this engine was introduced. By this point, many early platform issues had already been corrected, and the M276 engine itself had been in service long enough for mechanics and independent shops to understand it well. That familiarity helps reduce the uncertainty that often comes with buying a luxury car after its warranty expires. The twin-turbo M276 has proven to be relatively durable when maintained properly. With oil changes kept conservative and cooling system maintenance performed on time, these engines often reach high mileage without major internal failures. The 7G-tronic Plus transmission paired with it is also widely used across the Mercedes lineup and tends to hold up well when fluid services are performed regularly. Most issues owners encounter tend to involve wear components rather than major mechanical failures. Turbo coolant lines, ignition coils, engine mounts, and cooling system parts are the most common maintenance items as these cars age. These repairs are typical for a performance-oriented luxury coupe and generally manageable compared with major drivetrain failures. Before purchasing, verify consistent maintenance records, check for smooth turbo acceleration, inspect for oil residue around turbo components, and confirm the transmission shifts cleanly through all gears. With proper care, the E400 Coupe offers a good example of a Mercedes that can still make financial sense even after the factory warranty has expired. Once a Mercedes leaves its warranty period, ownership changes. Repairs are no longer covered, and the real test becomes how well the engine, transmission, and overall platform hold up over time. Some models quickly become expensive to maintain, while others continue running reliably with predictable maintenance. The cars we covered today fall into that safer category. They use proven engines, mature drivetrains, and platforms that mechanics already understand well. That combination is what helps keep long-term ownership more manageable, even after factory coverage is gone. No luxury car is completely maintenance-free, but choosing the right model makes a huge difference. With the right platform and proper maintenance history, owning a Mercedes after the warranty expires can still be a financially sensible decision.